Hey everybody, I'm doing a haul today and I just wanted to show you what I've been purchasing. I'm also trying out the new Mario foundation. What do you guys think? So I've had it on for like a few hours. It's giving a little oily. You can see the shiny bits and it looks so much better on camera, but in person it's like really oily. And then I'm also trying the I don't know what this is, the Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. They feel so smooth and you do feel that plumping effect. Super cute. I got the Blush Glow and I also got a Honeydew, I think, which is more of the brown. Alright, I also went to Aldo and picked up some shoes for my husband. These he don't really like. I just kind of bought it at a whim, thinking he would maybe like it, but nope, definitely not. Those super bright electric blue ones are not for him. But he did like these ones, which are a brown pair with the maroon, and it's gold hardware. Okay. I also tried to buy some shoes. I went to Nordstrom. They didn't really have anything. And I went to Louis Vuitton. They didn't really have any sandals that I liked either. But I did go to Target and I picked up these white ones. They're so comfortable. Honestly, like Target sandals are more comfortable than any of my designer sandals, which is crazy. But yeah, go for these. These were $19, $19.99. Super cute. All right, now to my big purchase. Comes in this bag. Love this. Let's I'll show you. She gave me some samples, my essay, and this is my proof of purchase. I'll show the small item first. If you're familiar with Louis Vuitton, you would already know what these are. These are my very first pair of Louis Vuitton sunglasses. And I've had luxury and designer sunglasses before. I've had Gucci. Gucci was probably my favorite. It was probably my favorite designer sunglass, but it got lost somewhere, my sister-in-law's house, while they were moving. So these are them. They're very soft velvet interior. It does come with the soft cloth pouch, and ta-da! It's the gold hardware sunglasses with the little charm. So there's a dust bag for it. Look how stunning this is. I love that little charm. It's so cute. You get the flowers on each side of the lens. And aren't they so cute? I love them. And I love that it comes with the adjustable nose pads. The nose pads have the Vivian flower on them. So cute. On the side it has Louis Vuitton, and this is style Z1718U, I think. I don't know how Louis Vuitton's sunglasses work, but how do they look? I personally love them. When I smile, it doesn't touch my cheeks, which is a must for me. And because these pads are adjustable, makes it even better in my opinion. And I first tried on the clear lens pair that had the blue light on the lens, but I just prefer these more. I do wear eyeglasses, prescription glasses, so I just think these are so cute. And because I wouldn't need them necessarily for what I'm purchasing them for, we are going on a cruise. We're leaving in an hour. I'm not even packed yet. We're leaving in an hour, and yeah, I just figured these would be so cute. Okay, and I love that it comes with the dust pouch. The other item that I purchased, I'm also bringing on the cruise with me, I think. I originally was gonna bring a different bag. Oh, this bag right here. I still need to film my Christmas unboxing or Christmas haul, but I did get this for Christmas. This is the Lucky BB in the black and the canvas. So pretty. This is what I got for Christmas, and other stuff I should have done a haul. Anyways, we're doing this first because I'm just so excited. This big box, and this is a special limited edition item, and I'm a sucker for special. Oh my god, even the box, it comes with this envelope style. Okay. Ooh, super cute. Comes with this Vivian floral sticker. Ooh, even the tissue. I don't know if it's because this is limited edition. The tissue is different. Stop it. Look, they folded it so cute. I don't know how I'm doing this. Oh, so cute. Ah, the dust bag is also so different. Stop it. Oh, and then I have another dust bag in here. That was so cute. I'm a sucker for presentation. Look how tiny. Okay, this is a drawstring dust bag. It has the Louis Vuitton embroidered. Stunning. Let me show you. This is the dust bag that my Lucky BB came in. So this is what they typically come in, and this is this limited edition one. Look how much different. Okay. Okay. So you just open. Oh, come on. Okay, this is not as easy as I had hoped. What's going on here? Okay. Just need my muscles to work. To reveal, and this is my very first bag of this. I can't believe I spent this much, and I can't believe I even own it, but yeah. Ta-da! Oh my god, this color. The camera is not doing it justice. Let me, oops, sorry. Turn it down. Okay. Look. Oh my god. This is the Louis Vuitton Capucines in the pale yellow. This is a white enamel. Or no, that's not even, this is leather. So the LV is like leather right here. And then the outline is gold hardware. I thought that was white enamel this whole time. All right, I wasn't paying attention. But yes, it does come with the long guitar strap. And I think this is the mini or the VB. I think it's the mini though. Let me find the tags for it. This is the, yeah, mini. The Capucines mini in style number M21798. It's a Vacata leather calfskin. Here is the description. Oh my gosh, I love this. And I forgot to show you. This other dust bag comes with this chain. So let me put it together. I personally would not be wearing it at the same time. It would probably just be one or the other. Just because if you know, the Capucines tend to get very heavy, and if you're wearing it crossbody, which I'll show you in a little bit, it just hangs a little too long for my liking. If I were to keep it, I would want it like this length, not all the way down there. But anyways, I love it. It's so tiny. It's the perfect mini bag. I did try it on in store and you can fit a good amount of stuff. I do have an iPhone 14 Pro and that one, oh sorry, that one does fit in this bag with sunglasses, which is the ones I just showed you, a card holder, keys, and then maybe another small makeup pouch. But yeah, let me show you guys how it looks. I am 4'11". For reference, I can put my arm through. Oops, sorry, fix you guys. I can fit my arm through and wear it this way. But what I was saying, oh, let me show you guys on the shoulder. I don't like wearing it this way. It's just too low for my personal liking. But if you're just gonna wear it just to throw over the shoulder so you can make a quick payment of something, then I think that's fine. But let me take this off and show you. Just with this, it's so dressy. Look how cute. And then what I figured, I would just wear it this way for dinner. But yeah, it does, maybe it's the shirt that I'm wearing, it's like slipping and sliding, but yeah, it's so cute. Love this color. I did wish it came in the BB size instead of this mini, but the BB is still very, very heavy, so I do like this one. And even this mini, it's like literally, I feel like the same weight, if not, like they're literally the same weight. My Birkin 25 and this Capucines mini. Like, isn't that insane? But anyways, yes, this is what I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did find it helpful and you want to watch and see all my other unboxings in the future, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. I will also link my Instagram, which is where I post most of my outfit pictures, and my TikTok. Please follow me. Bye.